This is the Jeju that I imagined. Guys, ang ganda. My heart is full. Sana all. Ang vibe ng ulan. One aesthetic shot. Thank you. Kamsahamnida. Hello guys. Kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Kuripa Traveler. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Jeju Island. Woo! So, inuulan po tayo ngayon. Actually, it's springtime. And the weather is gloomy. But we're gonna make the most out of this trip. Today actually is our first day. Nagpunta na tayo sa cherry blossom spot na Jonongro Cherry Blossom Road. So ngayon itong Ewol, dito sa Ewol tayo magpupunta. May Ewol Cafe Street doon. Share ko lang kung kayo ay magko-Korea or magje-Jeju, you can book your activities or hotel via Klook. Yan, nagka-rental kami kasi medyo mahirap yung bus. And I think walang train dito. Bus atang main public source of main mode of transportation dito. Kaya nag-rental kami. Gamitin yung promo code ko, DaveDino. Iko-comment ko sa baba yung link ng hotel and car rental. Alright? Ito, tara! Gats, kaya pa? Shucks! Wala kang jacket!
Oh my God! Wala naman yung winter.
Grabe! Woo! Wah! Ay, go! Ay! Again. Ayan po. Sana all. Alright, so dito na tayo sa Ewol the Sunset. Malapit sa Cafe Street, and then walang sunset because it's raining. The rain is also a vibe, diba? Cozy lang. Girl, nag-blend tayo sa color. Ito yung menu nila here. Medyo pricey, to be honest. It's the view, it's the location that you pay for. I think I'll matcha latte as a matcha lover. Alright, there are cute cakes. Dito tayo mag-order. Alright, they accept card here. You're too nice.
Do you need receipt?
Receipt, sure.
Okay. Finish? Yeah. Sheet with the
Alright.
this bag.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
This there do push.
Push the door if you want to go out. Is this the Ewol Cafe Street?
Air Cafe Street. On the.
We go
on
down.
The road.
The road there.
Okay.
Also, kamsahamnida.
Right.
Thank you. Let's try to go out, guys. Oh. Ang ganda naman. Let's try to go out. Ayun. Wow. Ito yung mga black na mga rocks. Ay, yung simoy ng hangin, ang fresh. Yeah. Ang vibe ng ulan. Plus the music inside the cafe. Yeah. This is very Jeju. One aesthetic shot. Ganda. Alright. Our order, the matcha latte, the vanilla latte, and the sandwich plus fries. O, diba? Napi ka?
Oo.
Ganda, no? Emerald.
Ano ba yan?
Emerald green waters. Ganda. Hi. I like this little life. I think I like this little life. This is the Jeju that I imagined. Guys, ang ganda. So this is in Ewol area in Jeju Island. Look at that emerald green waters. Tapos yung rocks na itim na itim. As a matcha lover, my 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 heart is full. My heart is satisfied. Sarap. The ice cream too. Pero guys, parang wala dito yung sunset. Nasa other side. No? Doon banda. Ewol the Sunset lang pangalan niya. Pero baka sa taas may magandang view. Or somewhere around the area ng sunset. It's 6:34 and they close at 7 p.m. So ngayon, chill-chill na lang muna tayo and then lakad later pag dumating ulit si Gats dito. And then ang dami ng food din ulit ng Gats dito. Take out na lang namin yan. Si Toki to.
Okay.
Thank you. Si Toki to get the heart. Thank you. How about you? Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. 감사합니다. Cute. Nag-heart silang lahat. Lahat ng stuff.
Payong mo.
Alright. Ang sarap ng food dyan tapos ng drink. Mga 1 hour din tayo doon. More than. And now, let's experience walking doon sa may beachside talaga. Oh, girl!
May mga
Kita
may
mo.
nag-ano talaga RV.
Anong RV? Yung car?
Yung van.
Ay, yung van? Ah! Naku, hindi kita dito kasi medyo tinted. Pero mamaya, paglabas natin. Hotel de Luna. At tawag dito, welcome to some Dallery experience.
Yeah.
With the canolas. Hindi mo nga alam kung anong OST yan. Ano yung Fight for My Way?
Okay, hindi ko natalita.
Wait lang. Ang ganda nung Fight for My Way na OST. Ginamit ko nung first Korea ko.
Ano tawag sa mga
This
traditional na
is
gazebo?
so K-drama. Saan? Yan?
Ayun na yung gazebo.
Saan? Ah, di ko sure, B.
Na parang traditional
Hanok?
Korean
Charing.
structure.
Hanok? Yun. Madami yan sa Seoul. Oh my gosh.
Ano dito?
Mag- Takbo-takbo?
Yung Goblin.
Ay!
Lumabas siya, tapos, lalabas si Gory.
Ito yung coastal line. I think nandun yung yung cafe street talaga.
Look at all the shells.
Yes. Hala.
Wow.
Guys, ang linaw ng waters. Ayan. Nagtitiktok-tiktok na si Gats dyan. Alright. So, ang saya lang maglakad-lakad dito sa Dolomite Beach. Dolomite Beach!
Hindi daw sila gano'n.
Hindi. Ano to?
Natural.
Di ko sure kung natural yung white sand. Parang no?
Feeling ko, oo.
Natural yung white sand.
Oo, natural yan.
Pero ang ganda, natural or not, ang ganda. Pati
Totoo.
nung black na rocks with the emerald green waters and of course, matched with our experience from the Ewol sunset. Pero hindi natin nakita yung sunset. Pero overall, it was relaxing. Sabi ko nga kay Gats, bukas mag-coffee hopping na lang ulit tayo. Kasi feeling ko doon ako nare-relax kasi hindi tayo nagmamadali. At hindi tayo nauulan. Ngayon umuulan. Pero, ayun. This is the Jeju that I imagined. Sabi ko na kanina. And thank you so much for coming with me, guys, through this vlog. And I'm happy to have shared this surreal experience going here to Jeju with you. Thank you, guys. Saranghe. Bye-bye. Let's live our best life. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Wait lang. Hubarin ko to.